Hi there, today I'm unboxing an IP camera. So this is by a company called ENER-J. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. Seems quite nicely packaged here. Some details there about the product. So Wi-Fi controlled as well. Okay, let's have a look inside the packaging. So this actually has two-way audio as well. Let's check the instructions. All in English. And again, all in English, so that's good. Let's take this out. Okay, got a power adapter there. Got a bracket, mounting bracket, and the actual camera. Quite nice and compact actually. I thought it'd be slightly bigger. Okay, so here are all the bits and pieces you get with the IP camera. Let's go through them one by one. So the actual power adapter comes with a power indicator light on the back, a green one. Build quality seems good. Strong plastic. That's the actual power output on there. Cable wise comes with a reasonable amount, not too long, not too short. I think it's enough to sort of plug in and then maybe put on a shelf or something by a window, so that's good. Comes with some fixtures, so some screws, raw plugs, and I guess a pin maybe used to do a reset perhaps. Okay, the actual mounting bracket, so if I turn it here, it's adjustable. If I take the camera, there's a point there I can just screw it into, and then if I tighten here, it just stays in a fixed position. So there you go. Quite good if you want to put it somewhere like high up, for instance, or against a wall somewhere. Okay, let's take a look at the actual IP camera. It's nice and compact, as I noticed when I took it out of the packaging. The back of it, you've got a Ethernet port supporting 10100. Got a micro SD card slot there and a power point there. Build wise, all plasticky, glossy sort of finish on there. Seems good. Obviously you've got the Wi-Fi aerial here, adjustable as well. Let's see if it can be taken off. Nope. Oh. No, it's attached, so you can't take that off. Okay, looks like you might have the actual speaker microphone in there. Let's take the actual cover off the lens. Lens there. There must be infrared sensors there. Okay, so let's get this camera set up. So initially, we want to get the app on there. So the QR code's on there for it. So if I get my QR reader and place it over, and that's the app you need, you see. So I've already got this installed on my device. So let me start that up and let's plug in the camera. Okay, so initially, I guess it's going through initialization phase where it's just spinning around. You can feel the actual base vibrating as it's doing that. Okay. Leave it there. Next, let's click the plus, add new device. Okay, connection methods we're going to use. We'll use Smart Link. Just need to type in my Wi-Fi password. Let me do that off camera. Okay, now I'm getting this prompt. So it's saying power on and the device is waiting to connect. Meanwhile, a prompt tone will be sent once connected. Hear a beep for connection. Make sure the volume's on full. Okay, so it looks like it's connected now. It's asking for a password on the device, and I think if I looked underneath, password is 123. Okay, next to that. And it's that one there. So there you go, as simple as that. Oh, let me mute it. Okay. So let's see if I can spin it just with this. Yeah, I can spin it with that just by pushing on the actual window. Very easy to set up. Picture quality wise, let's get this into full screen. There you go, very clear. Okay, let's see the sort of options you've got on there. So if I go back, let's click back, and you've got a number of options there. So let's quickly go through them. So defense, you can arm it, so if there's any sort of motion, it'll alert you. Okay, so let me show you the options within. So if I click on settings, got the device information, time settings, picture and sound, just these, network security settings, cancel that, don't want to update the password, network settings, so to connect to a different Wi-Fi network, alarm settings, so this is quite an interesting one. So if I turn on receive alarm prompt and motion detection, if I turn that on as well. Okay, and record settings, that's if you've put in an SD card, a micro SD card. Okay, so now if I just wave my hand over the camera, that's what the motion detection does. If I click that, I should be able to connect to it and see. Oh, there you go. Let me stop it. Very useful really, if there's any motion. So that's good. Another thing to show, which would be quite useful, if I turn off my Wi-Fi and now it's on my data, and I go into the app, and let's try it again. So just to show, I'm on my mobile data, and I now go like that. Same thing again. So if you're out and about and there's been some motion, I guess in your living room or somewhere, it will inform you straight away. Very useful device. Very easy to configure as well. So if you've got a mini SD card in the actual camera, it's recording locally. So if I click on playback, if there's any recordings there, you will see them displayed there. Also, if you want to see the activity going on, if I click on message, it will tell you when motion has been detected. So that's quite useful as well. So there you go. Quite a easy to set up camera, multifunctional. So I like the fact that it will actually send you an alarm, a push notification to your mobile device. So if you're out and about and you wanted to get informed if there was any activity, so quite useful for that. So there you go, really cool camera. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of this Wi-Fi IP camera. Really simple to set up, easy to configure as well. useful it's got the actual app on there that you install on your mobile device, and the fact you can get alarms configured on there to push notifications on to your phone, which is really useful. So there you go, a great little IP camera. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.